Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing notes in PowerPoint so they're ready when you present. Once done, join Zoom and choose Share Screen. Don't pick the full app if you want private notes. If you have one monitor, set Slideshow to browsed by an individual window so the slideshow runs as its own window. Make sure to select that slideshow window in Zoom. This keeps your speaker notes visible only to you while participants see the slides. Next, you set up presenter view or a windowed slideshow so your notes remain private. If you have two monitors, start presenter view. The audience sees slides on one screen while your notes, upcoming slide, and timer appear on the other. Make sure Zoom is sharing the screen that shows only the slides. If you have one monitor, run the slideshow in a window and place the notes pane beside it. Then share that slideshow window in Zoom. This prevents notes from being broadcast. To finish, stop the slideshow and end sharing in Zoom, then save your presentation. Once done, you can record locally or to the cloud if you need a playback with timing. Make sure to rehearse the flow once so you're confident switching displays. If participants accidentally see your notes, stop sharing immediately and reshare the correct slideshow window or switch to presenter view on the proper monitor. That fix resolves the most common visibility mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.